back and forth. Take turns with the fluids tracking. If you haven't had a turn, might ask your partner if they've already had a turn, so you can, because the tracking device tracks the person that has it. So, we want to give everybody a fair chance to, you'll still be in the video a little bit, but it's going to track you, the one who has the tracking device. This is Bob and Dennis. Flags up. 1, 1, 1. Time, 5 head. At a 37:33. Barb, did you get that battery from him?